Hey guys, in this felt craft tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these cute felt balloons. They are adorable, and where you put them and what you do with them is totally up to you. Okay, let me show you. So I'm using not even a brand new piece of felt, but a scrap piece, and I'm going to draw myself a shape that's sort of smaller at the bottom and wider on top. Kind of already looks like a balloon. Fold it in half. So I get two pieces with one cut. And now what you're going to do is clean it up if you'd like, and you're going to sew around the perimeter here, leaving the bottom open. It's up to you if you machine or hand sew it. I sort of machine sewed mine. Anyway, I'm turning it right side out with my chopstick. And here we go, stuffing it up. You want to get a lot of stuffing in there. And what I do with this leftover scraps so that I don't just throw it out is I chop it up and I use it as more stuffing. Reduce the waste, I always believe. You want to get out those edges that are not exactly round there. And by pushing it with any kind of turning tool, you will remove them because the felt really is pliable. Loving this tutorial? Please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. So now I'm going to sew around using a basting stitch with my double threaded needle and coordinating thread. But I do like to stick a pipe cleaner in there so that it really looks more like a balloon and I can put this balloon wherever I want. So here we go, just quickly. Doesn't have to be a neat basting stitch, totally fine, just like this. Making sure the pipe cleaner is secure, I'm going to just give it a pull and wrap that thread around. Now I'm going to do two end-off stitches at the end here just so that I secure my stitches in there and my balloon doesn't fall apart. Now your balloon is pretty much done from here, but I like to add a little ribbon to it. And I do tie it upside down so that the tails of the ribbon face downward. That's just my little trick. See, they face down. And that's it. How quick was that? These adorable felt balloons are done. So if you really like working with felt, why don't you also check out this other video of mine of what I did with these felt balloons, as well as my other felt craft creations here. Thanks for watching.